Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ, and today I'm going to show you how you can find the cheapest fares on the National Rail Enquiries. So if we open up the National Rail Enquiries and we say we're going from, say, York to Leeds on a Friday at 8:30 in the morning and we click go, as you can see that is currently the cheapest price. Now depending on the type of fare you want, that might not be the cheapest one and it might not be the one that you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down towards the bottom and then we're going to click the show the cheapest option here. Now in here we can now adjust our filters. So for example, if I just want a standard class ticket and I want it anytime, then I can unselect these three boxes here and then I can leave standard class and anytime fares selected. So now if I click update, as you can see that is the cheapest anytime fare for that day. Right, so I think that's it. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you decide to hit the dislike button, subscribe for more content like this and I'll see you another time. Bye.